How to fix Tesla app not working. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is your internet connection, if you have stable internet connection or not. For that, launch your settings. Then, click on the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to. Forget this network and then rejoin it. Then head back. Then you can switch your network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data, and in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can scroll down, open this option General, navigate to the option of iPhone storage. Over here you're going to find all the apps that are installed in a device. Head over to the app Tesla, open it, click on Offload app, click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. After completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, another thing you can do is close this, launch your App Store or Play Store. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in the app name Tesla and search for it. After app appears, at the right corner of the app you'll find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Once you update the app, your problem might be fixed. If all these solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. To do that, close this. Press and hold the Tesla app. Click on Remove app. Click on Delete app. Click on Delete. With that, you just deleted this app from your device. Now you can launch your App Store, search for the app Tesla and install it. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. Well, this way you can easily fix Tesla app not working. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.